guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super easy and delicious matcha horchata. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious drink, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 1.5 cups of white rice, 2 tablespoons of matcha, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 large cinnamon stick, 3 cups of milk, and sugar. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to begin by soaking our rice. So before we do, make sure that you rinse your rice really good. And now we're just going to place it in a container and we're going to add our cinnamon sticks. And we're going to cover it with 4 cups of hot water. So now we're just going to cover it. And we're going to let it sit overnight or for at least 4 hours. Okay, so once our rice has soaked for at least 4 hours, now we are ready to make our delicious horchata. Okay, so now we're going to transfer our soaked rice into our blender cup. Okay, so now we're just going to blend until our rice is nice and pulverized. And at this point, we're also going to add sugar. So I'm adding 3/4 cup, but of course that's all going to be to taste. All right, so after a couple minutes, now we are ready to strain it. Okay, so I'm going to be using a piece of cheesecloth. And now we're just going to strain into our jar. Okay, so now we're going to add our matcha. We're going to mix it. Make sure that you mix it well. Okay, so now we're going to add our vanilla, our evaporated milk, and our condensed milk. And the condensed milk, like I said, is going to depend on how sweet you want your horchata to be. Okay, so just mix it. And now we're going to add our 3 cups of milk. And just keep mixing. And at this point, you want to try it and see if you want to add any more sugar. And for me, it's perfect. So just like that, we have our matcha horchata. And of course, you can add the ice in here. I personally don't like to add the ice with my water. I like to add it as we serve it. But now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty, guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So here I have it in my cup with a lot of ice. And I'm just going to sprinkle some more matcha. So it could look cute. Our cinnamon stick. And of course, our straw. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious matcha horchata. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this drink has been my favorite at the moment. So I hope you guys give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Just mix it real quick. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, it's super delicious, so refreshing. It's perfect, you know, right now that it's super hot here in Arizona. And I just came back from the zoo, so it just hit the spot. Yeah. So good, so creamy. And you always get to control how sweet you want it. But let me tell you that it's just the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home. Make a delicious matcha horchata. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.